Hello everyone, welcome to harisystems. Today you are going to knowing and learning about what is ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is an open AI tool. It's a really open source which will help you to make you more like the trending and which you loved technology or programming language and which career path you are going to be choosing. Yes, strongly you try to become a master in very less time. All you need to make a using this ChatGPT open AI tool to how to get an information. For example, if you are looking for a coding jobs or coding opportunities, improve you want to make an improvements in your career. So how it is possible? Truly, really, all you need to type and entering prompting information in ChatGPT cursor and getting an information and integrating to your project to make you more strong by making a real world examples, and these real world examples will give you boost in your career growth. So want to try more and also learn a technology like a Python programming language, which is the most like a huge trending libraries are ready-made libraries are available in this programming language. And also learning is a super easy how you will write a letter writing the same way you can write and develop coding. So start learning using ChatGPT such a OpenAI technologies to make you strong in less time. Apply real world examples by doing and practicing and understanding the methodology, the life cycle of software application development you should understand, which is called like SDLC, software development life cycle, agile methodology. Such a methodologies you need to understand and query to this ChatGPT tool to get an information and integrate to your real world projects. So you will be become like in very less time you will crack your interviews as well as real world coding will make you more comfortable in your work area. Harisystems is also offering great trending courses using ChatGPT OpenAI where you need to concentrate how to learn basics and applying of these prompting techniques to your learning experience. Such a courses we are also created for you, which will be clearly understand you step by step how to think, how to get an information, how to integrate to your project. This step by step process will give you more quickly you will become a master in such a languages and using ChatGPT. Want to try more? We'll also give you a course ready-made course description link. Find today and start learning. Good luck.